Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom actually to find the system. That was a misclick, the system section. Let's tap on it and here as you can see on the third position we've got the date and time. So let's enter. And here we've got some options which we can customize, but not yet. As you can see, the date and time options are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic date and time, which are nowhere provided, so we can turn it off. We have to turn it off just by tapping on the switcher in order to be able to customize it manually. So now let's tap on the date, and as you can see right now, we can pick the date we want to use from this calendar. So let me randomly pick this one. It doesn't really matter. As you can see, it will be changed whatever you will click. So let's tap on OK. It will immediately appear right here, and the same situation with the time. As you can see, we can pick the particular time from the clock, so it can be this one. Confirm it with OK, and as you can see it will also appear on the status bar. Here we've got also the time zone, and again we cannot change it. So first of all let's turn off the automatic time zone. Now we can tap on the time zone here, tap on the region, and as you can see we've been transferred to all available regions from which we can choose. So let me pick for example whatever, for example this one. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and be aware that of course after changing the time zone, that time will also change according to it. I hope that you can remember that we set 10 p.m. and currently we've got 8 p.m. So here we've got also the time format, we can change it. Currently we are using local default, but we can of course manually decide if we want to use 24-hour format just like now, or 12-hour format. So that's how it works. And basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on those switchers, so set automatic time zone and also the time. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time in your Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.